If you want to take gesture screenshot on OPPO Find X9, then we actually have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. With 3 fingers, you can, for example, swipe down like this, just from the top towards the bottom of the screen in order to capture a full screenshot. What you can also do is you can press and hold your finger with your 3 fingers on the screen anywhere, like this, and then you should be able to draw the area that you wish to capture. I'm not sure why it was like that. Let's try that again. There we go, so we're gonna, oh, there we go, now it works just fine. Of course, we can still adjust the cropped area quite easily, and then we can tap on this check in the upper right corner to save this screenshot. Also, you can press and hold with 3 fingers, and then once you see this prompt, swipe up or down or lift your fingers, we can just swipe down like this in order to immediately select the area like that. And also we can use 3 fingers gesture for scrolling screenshot, that is. First we need to open any app or a website where we have scrolling, and now we should be able to just use 3 fingers, just press and hold, and then swipe down like this. And now we are taking a scrolling screenshot. We can swipe up and down in order to adjust the length. So let's say I'm gonna set it up to here, and let's tap done. And there we go, we have created a scrolling screenshot quite easily. We can of course open it. This is how it looks like. Of course, we can tap on save if you made any editing. And that's pretty much it. Now, if any of these options do not work for you, or any of these gestures actually, then we can go to settings, scroll down onto accessibility and convenience. And then over here, we should be able to find the screenshot option. And over here we have screenshot gestures, 3 fingers swipe down and 3 finger touch and hold for partial and scrolling screenshot. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.